Good morning children, welcome back to our EVS class. So the topic water and water everywhere. So we discussed who and why we need water, why is water so important to us and how to save water also. So we have discussed what are the states of water. State means how water we can see, that is the solid form, liquid and the gaseous form. Gaseous means the water vapor form. And even we have discussed the water cycle, that is how the process goes on, the evaporation, condensation, again the rain, the water cycle we have discussed now. And we have even discussed how to save water, how we have to save water. So I will tell few how we have to save water. You must also know, you might be also knowing it. So while brushing your teeth, don't open the tap and keep it. When required only, open the tap. And while bathing, don't use the shower. Instead, use a bucket of water to shower, to bath. And when you're watering also, instead of a hose pipe, try to use the water can. Pour the water with the water can to water the plants. So in this way, and while using washing machine, you see that you keep the load of clothes, not that you will keep only half load, so it will be wastage of water. And so these are the few ways, and if there is any leakage, see that it is repaired as fast as it is possible, so that we will not waste the water. So we will discuss today about the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. So what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is collection and storage of rainwater of rain rather than going waste. So what is rainwater harvesting? So rainwater harvesting is collection and storage of rain rather than going waste. That is collection of rainwater. See, when it rains, it falls on your rooftop, no? So keep a pipe to the rainwater to the rooftop, so that it will come into a tank. Either keep a tank or a bucket. So but if you keep a bucket, you have to keep putting into the another drum. Instead, if you keep a tank, so the excess the rainwater when it falls on the roof, it will obviously fall into the tank, so that when it comes down, it will come into the tank. So is the collection and storage of rainwater instead of going waste, so that if it goes waste, again it will go into the on the flat surface and it will be dispersed and it will be wasted. If you collect the rainwater, you can use for the plants, for the irrigation purpose. You can even use this water to flush the toilets instead of going in waste. Even you can use for gardening. You can pour this water for even gardening also. So I will read out and we will see. Rainwater harvesting. rainwater harvesting is a good way to save water. So by doing this, we are saving water. This is done by collecting rainwater in big tanks with the help of pipes. Now you can see this picture here. See the house, and the rainwater is collected and put into the drum. See, you can see the pipe here. So the rainwater falls into this drum, and a pipe is connected so that it will come into the tank. These tanks can also be fixed underground. So these also can be fixed under the ground. Underground means down below the surface land. The water is filtered and stored. We can use this water when needed. So this water, by storing it, we can use it whenever required to water the plants, to flush the toilets, gardening purpose, or any other. Nowadays, many houses, schools and factories store water in this way. So nowadays, many of the schools, factories, and even many of the houses, even recently I have seen in the news where a person stores this rainwater, get it filtered, and they drink also this water. So this way we can save the water. Even I want you all to think some ways to save the water and tell me in the Zoom class. Here there are some more points. Let's remember. I want you all to read these points which are very important. Okay. So now I'll read out. All living things need water. Plants and animals also need water. Rain is the most important source of water on the earth. So as we read earlier, as I explained earlier, that rain is very much important because through it only we get water. We need to boil or filter water to make it safe for drinking. We must save water. Water exists in three forms that we discussed earlier, that it exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid and the gaseous form. In nature, water keeps changing its form, and this is called the water cycle. That is water, the evaporation, condensation, the cycle, it goes on. Okay children, I suppose you have understood this topic, and thank you.